Applying for a USA visit visa is a dream for many people, but for some, it feels confusing and stressful. Many applicants get rejected simply because applicants don't understand the process. In this video, I will explain how to get a USA visit visa B1 or B2 step by step in a clear and simple way. Watch this video till the end because one small mistake can cost you your visa. Question number 1. What is USA visit visa B1 or B2 category? The USA visit visa is officially known as the B1 or B2 visa. B1 is for business related visit such as meetings or conferences, and B2 is for tourism, visiting family or friends, or medical treatment. In most cases, the US Embassy issues a combined B1 B2 visa which allows short-term visit only. Question number 2. How can apply? You can apply for a USA visit visa if your purpose is temporary, such as tourism, visiting relatives, business meetings, or medical reasons. It is very important to understand that this visa does not allow you to work or study in the USA. Step by step USA visit visa process. Step number 1. DS-160 form. The first and most important step is filling out the DS-160 online form. This form includes your personal information, job details, travel purpose, and background. Always provide honest and accurate information because your interview questions are based on this form. After submission, you will receive a DS-160 confirmation page, which is mandatory. Step number 2. Visa fee payment. The USA visit visa fee is $185 US. This fee is non-refundable whether your visa is approved or rejected. So make sure your application is prepared carefully. Step number 3. Appointment booking. After fee payment, create your profile on the US visa system and book 2 appointments, one for biometrics and one for the visa interview. Step number 4. Biometrics. During biometrics, your fingerprints and photograph are taken. This process is quick and simple and usually takes only a few minutes. Step number 5. Visa interview. The visa interview is the most critical step. The visa officer wants to know why you want to visit the USA, how long you will stay, and most importantly, why you will return back to your home country. Required documents. You should carry a valid passport, DS-160 confirmation page, appointment confirmation, bank statement, job letter or business proof, and a basic travel plan. Remember, documents support your case, but your confidence and answer decided your result. Visa interview tips. And this part of this video is very important. So let's start. What's the important tips for interview? Be calm, confident, and honest. Answer only what is asked. No extra explanations. Clearly explain your purpose and show strong ties such as a stable job, businesses, family. Our responsibilities in your home country. Never show any intention of staying illegally in the USA. Common reasons for rejection. Many applications are rejected due to unclear travel purpose, weak financial background, lack of strong ties, or immigration intent. A rejection is not the end. You can replay with better preparation and understanding. Getting a USA visit visa is not luck, it is preparation. If your purpose is genuine, your information is truthful, and your interview is confident, your chances increases significantly. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to the channel. In the next part, I will explain the USA student visa, and after that, real visa interview questions and answers. Thank you for watching.